Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add a design border in Microsoft Word, or how to make your border design. In this video I will show you that. So let's begin. So first you just need to open on your Word, and then here you can see I open a blank file. And if you want to make your page border like a design or design border, if you want to add, how should you do? You just need to go on a design option at the top. Now at the right side you can see they have an option page border. Select on it, and now here you can see I select box, and then lot of design is here. You can see you can select any design from here, this design or this design, and then select OK. That's it. Now you can see it's a straight line, and if you want to make more design like that arrow, and then OK. That's it. You can see, and in this way you can make your border design, or you can make a design border. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.